Hey guys, how's it going? This is Gerald. I'm going to go ahead and give you a tip. I want to talk about how to close more deals without a competitor for under $50. And so many of you have asked me the question, Gerald, I just don't have the money to go ahead and get started with regards to real estate or real estate investing. And my response always is you can focus on creative real estate investing. And so, what do I mean by that? So, many of you have heard the term wholesaling. Wholesaling, right? I want you to look up the term reverse wholesaling. Um, Very little competition. And the whole objective around reverse wholesaling is you don't focus on the seller, you focus on the buyer. So, with reverse wholesaling, you're pretty much doing some similar steps. However, the biggest difference is A, you're going to find and vet buyers. In other words, you can market properties using blind ads. And what you're going to do is to build a buyer's list, a big buyer's list of serious buyers. Okay. You're going to focus on buyers, and you're not necessarily going to focus on sellers. You're going to focus on wholesalers. So, the whole objective around reverse wholesaling is to focus on buyers, ask the buyers their needs, ask what area, what city, what zip code, etc., are they serious? How many deals have they done? You go through your process. And then as you take information down from those buyers, then remember what I said, you take information down. In other words, you're somewhat of like an order taker. And if you think about wholesaling, this is an actual easier way to go ahead and do the business because you can do it from the comfort of your own home. The number of buyers out there is ridiculous, right? So as you talk to your buyers, you're going to ask them questions. What are they looking for? What price point? What zip code? What neighborhood? 3 bedroom, 2 bath, 4 bedroom, 2 bath, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. What are they looking for? You'd be shocked. Some of them are looking for 2-in-1s, 2 bedroom, 1 bath. Why? Because they want to do a value add. In other words, they want to add on a bedroom and a bath to a property, turn around and flip that. So what you want to do is get information from a lot of these buyers. You want to get good at that. And then as you target wholesalers in different cities and places around the country, all you're doing really is filling orders, right? So you're asking these wholesalers, hey, what do you have? Number one. Number two, you're asking you to get on everyone's list, right? I don't care who's wholesaling property, whatever. Get on everyone's list. When a deal comes across your email or when you text a deal or whatever that is, as you evaluate that deal, make sure it's a deal, make sure it's something that your buyers are looking for. Now you partner with that wholesaler, you all go ahead and you JV that deal. In other words, you all split that deal. Typically, there's 50-50 commission, right? You split that. So if it's a $10,000 commission, if it's a $10,000 fee, you make 5,000, the other person makes 5,000, right? If it's a $20,000 fee, you make 10,000, other person makes 10,000. So, a very simple way to deal with no competition real estate would be an aspect of real estate referred to as reverse wholesaling. Do yourselves a favor, look it up on YouTube, study it, follow the people that are really deep into. There's one gentleman actually, he pretty much killed it with this niche. Okay, so guys, if y'all found value in the video, please click the like button. Also share it with family and friends. Hey, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Okay, you all have a great day. Take care.